Welcome to Ngobo 23 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Tada. This is Ngobo 23 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versberg. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. My brother, how's it? Sharp, thanks. How the age? What's happening?
No, before I go further, I wish you to go to the World Cup also.
Oh, thanks, my brother.
Yeah, so I think maybe Mackenzie, maybe we are you are deserve to go to the World Cup.
No, thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you so much.
so game here today. I was neutral. Neutral today.
Oh, yeah.
He favor Chiefs this Sundown.
Even.
But the atmosphere of Kaizer Chiefs fan, I'm so happy about the fan of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
It's like River Papala FNB.
Home, yeah.
It's like it's a home ground.
Yeah.
But Giboni today, or no, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team.
Yeah.
And the Sundown, Yapalo, Uja Kaizer Chiefs. So Kaizer Chiefs, he deserved to win today. We're supposed to win.
Yeah.
And Peterson, Peterson is a man of the match.
Played very well.
Yeah, Peterson is playing very well.
Yeah.
So, Kibaksa we sure Pirates in the league, but no,
Yeah.
if you Pirates 1 point, Sundown 1 point. Now everything now is up to
them.
Pirates and Sundown. Nagi chune jobo yaka,
Yeah.
play 1 point yaka. I'm happy kaka point, but I'm happy kaka performance ya Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs iba busy from 0 to 90 minutes. So I have a pala like sometimes you have a pala 45 minutes, then second half total performance I saw we sharp.
Oh yes.
So Sundown even like good draw Sundown. Kaizer Chiefs supposed to score 2-1, especially Silva.
Yeah.
Silva wasn't about the 2,
Exactly,
especially the first half. Umise goal I won. So we are supposed to win. But
exactly,
anyway, I'm happy about the performance of the boys.
Thanks, my brother.
Thank you so much, my man. I don't want to waste so many time.
Thank you so much, my brother.